Hi all, my name is Chinmay. I'm from Pune. I've been here in Anandkunj since 28 like 19th of December 2022. Now is 27th of December. I've been here for my weight loss. Like I was having obesity. I'm currently having obesity as well. So, but earlier I was not able to lose as much weight as expected. But here in Anand Kunj, almost in 8 days, I have lost eight kgs of my weight. Today is my 9th day. I've been fasting since like my beginning of the like first day in Anand Kunj. Today is my 9th day. I'm still on fast, and it has been very helpful to me. The main factor which has helped me is Shivambu. I've been taking Shivambu since day one. Earlier, like in the beginning days, it is bit hard to drink the Shivambu, but later it gets clarified, so it is bit easy to take the Shivambu. And other than Shivambu, other than weight loss, there are many other things which are like conducted in this Shivir, like mainly how our thoughts and how we perceive anything has impact on our body, like the manam annamay sharir. So we mainly ignore these things that have these how can these things have any impact on my life. It is nothing but a thought, but these thoughts and everything play a very important role in our weight loss or like any disease if we have. So having positive thoughts, having happy thoughts is really important for us. I'm really grateful to Dr. Nitin Patil and all the staff. They have been really supportive in my 10-day journey in the weight loss. They have never judged me in anything. So